Hello everybody, welcome to another Breakaway Sports Cards eBay box break. Today we're going to be doing the 1516 Upper Deck Trilogy eBay single box break number 12. Just before we get started, quickly want to plug our website. Check it out, it is breakawaysc.com. We do live hockey group breaks 7 nights a week directly through our website. If you want to see what we got going on over the next few days, just scroll to the group break tab. And you can see our Saturday night breaks, 5-box mini break. We got a Black Diamond random case break. We got a Trilogy team select case break. Cup Sunday, and our special BSC Young Guns hit draft on Sunday night as well. And we're also an Upper Deck authorized internet retailer. We sell all the latest products from Upper Deck. We've got Trilogy in, we still got Series 1 Hobby in, SP Game Use in a couple of weeks. Again, if you want to check it out, it is breakawaysc.com. Alright, let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is just show you that this auction has ended. As always, the Winnipeg Jets are the last team that we post, box break number 12. And this ended January 22nd, 7:29 Eastern. Also, in case you missed it, we did provide the serial number, box serial number in the listing. That is BB009484132. Now I'll just show you the serial number on the box so you know it's the same one. BB009484132. All right, here we go. 1516 Upper Deck Trilogy eBay single box break number 12. Good luck, everybody. Let's see some big hits. Pack one. Base. Rookie Premier Level 2 Auto of 199. 5 of 199. Going to Vancouver, Jake Virtanen. Not a bad start. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base. Signature pucks. Going to Tampa Bay, Tyler Johnson. Base. Base, base. Rookie Premier, number 649 of 999 for St. Louis, Robbie Fabry. Doesn't want to focus. There we go. Decoy and base. Base, base. Rookie Premier, level 2, number 178 and 199 for Buffalo, Jack Eichel. Decoy and base. Base. Patch 8 of 21 for Ottawa, Erik Karlsson. Base, base. Base, base, base. Jersey 1 of 110. This one's going to Edmonton, Taylor Hall. Base, base. Base. Parallel 373 or 450 for Philly, Claude Giroux. Base, base. Last pack. Good luck. Base. Got a parallel 180 of 280 going to Montreal, Max Pacioretty. It doesn't want to focus. Decoy, base, and base. There we go. 1516 Upper Deck Trilogy eBay single box break number 12 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody. Again, check out the website for our live hockey root breaks 7 nights a week. BreakawaySC.com. Another eBay box break has been listed for Saturday night. That is Trilogy number 12. Again, thank you very much. Have a good day.